Hi, I'm Zoheb,
Hi, I'm Shazia.
and we guys relocated from Koramangala to Whitefield, and with the help of Leo Packers, the movement was just so simple and amazing.
Yeah, I think they made it so enjoyable. Forget about making it stress-free and hassle-free. It was a treat to watch the team, how they worked, how beautifully they came, they packaged everything, they brought in all their materials, and I wouldn't hesitate to shift again.
We didn't have to tell them anything. They came in with everything possible. I was worried about we had a big screen TV or all our glassware.
Right,
I
they
thought it was
handled
just
it
the
so
bubble
neat.
wrap, but then they also had some blanket and a special cover, and everything was done so neatly
Yeah.
and precise. Didn't have to stand and look at what they're doing at all. They knew what they were doing.
Yeah, they even took the extra effort to bring in a massive wardrobe of ours into our new apartment, and the doorway was too small, and we thought it would be our headache and our responsibility to try and figure out how to get our furniture in, because we assumed that the movers and packers are probably just gonna take our furniture from one place and just move it to the destination and that's it. But no, they took the effort to figure out the angle into which it had to be tilted, to be moved into a narrow doorway. They didn't damage our flooring, didn't damage our walls.
Yeah, and it's not like they had to think about it. They were so professional. They just knew. They saw this corner. Okay, we
Yeah.
have to do this, and it was
They
in
take seconds to
figure it out.
Like,
And also after we came here and they got all the boxes in, I thought, okay, that's it, and they're gonna say bye. They've given us all the boxes, but they also unpacked, removed everything,
Yes.
all our glassware, removed all the bubble wrap, all the paper, helped us arrange, and even one of the wardrobes, they helped us move it around like
Yeah.
5 times. We thought it looked good against this wall. Then we're
Yeah.
like, no. Then they moved, and a
very
really heavy,
patient that
very
way.
patient.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thanks, Leo Packers, for making
Yeah.
moving so easy.
Yeah,
And
we do it
if we
again
have
and
to move
again.
out of this house again, we know whom to call.
Yeah, that's true.
When it comes to relocating, trust Leo, trust the lion.